Next continuation students, nature of oxides, nature of oxide of S-block elements. S-block elements are having different types of oxides. That is, what is the nature of oxides? That is, first one is in beryllium oxide. Beryllium oxide is amphoteric nature. Beryllium oxide is amphoteric nature, whereas remaining oxides are, that is, magnesium oxides, calcium oxide, strontium oxide and barium oxides are basic nature. This is very most important student. So nature of oxide, beryllium oxide is the amphoteric nature and remaining oxides are magnesium, calcium, strontium oxides are basic in nature. It is very most important students. Generally, that is amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric oxides are react with acids as well as base. Amphoteric oxides are react with acids and bases. Amphoteric oxides are react with acids and bases to give water. So example here, beryllium oxide. When beryllium oxide BeO react with hydrochloric acid to form beryllium chloride plus water. So beryllium oxide is the amphoteric nature. It is very most important. Beryllium oxide react with HCl to form beryllium chloride. So take the, now here it is not balanced, so here 2 chlorines are there, add the 2 moles of water molecules. So this is very most important student. And another one is beryllium oxide react with sodium hydroxide. Beryllium oxide is amphoteric nature, so that's why it is react with acid as well as base. Beryllium oxide react with the sodium hydroxide is also to give the water. It is also giving water. These both oxides, beryllium oxides react with acid and base to give water molecule. It is very most important students. So beryllium oxide is amphoteric nature. It is react to, this beryllium oxide is react with acids as well as bases. And next one is metal oxides. What are the metal oxides? That is basic oxides. Generally metal oxides are basic in nature, so metal oxides are react with acids only, cannot react with base. Metal oxides are react with only acids. Metal oxides are react with only acids, that is metal oxides are basic oxide. Example, now take the magnesium oxide react with hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and water. So here it is not balanced, so here there are 2 chlorines are there, take the 2 moles of water molecule, 2 moles of hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride plus water. And calcium oxide react with hydrochloric acid to form calcium chloride and H2O. And strontium oxide also same, SRO plus strontium oxide react with hydrochloric acid to form SrCl2 plus water. And barium oxide BaO plus hydrochloric acid to form barium chloride plus water. These are the very most important student. Generally amphoteric oxides are react with acids and bases, but basic oxides are react with only for acids. Basic oxide react with only with acids to form water and salt. It is very most important student. These are the important nature of oxides. Next one, these metal oxides are, metal oxides means what? Metal oxides are, that is oxides, metal oxides, peroxide, superoxide. These metal oxides are react with water. So what happened? React with water to give strong bases. All metal oxides like peroxide, superoxides and oxides are dissolved in water to give strong bases. Now take the example of S-block elements. In S-block elements, lithium to form only lithium monoxide. Lithium react with oxygen to form only lithium monoxide. This lithium monoxide dissolve in water to form lithium hydroxide is a strong base. So it is also important students. Next one, another one is when sodium peroxide, sodium react with oxygen to form sodium peroxide. This sodium peroxide also dissolve in water to form strong base NaOH and H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. So it is not balanced. And here 2 sodiums are there, here also 2 sodium, but here right side is 4 hydrogens are there. Right side is 4 hydrogens, so but left side put the 2 moles of water molecule. Na2O2 plus 2H2O gives us 2 NaOH plus H2O2. So sodium peroxide dissolve in water to give sodium hydroxide and hydrogen peroxide. And another one is KO2 and RbO2 CSO2, superoxides. Potassium, rubidium, these superoxides are potassium superoxide, rubidium superoxide, potassium superoxide. These superoxides are dissolved in water to give strong bases and hydrogen peroxide and O2. Here three types of product will be produced. One is base, another one is H2O2, another one is oxygen. So but lithium monoxide, it gives only one type of product, that is lithium hydroxide. Sodium peroxide dissolve in water to form two types of product, that is sodium hydroxide and H2O2. And these three superoxides are dissolved in water to form three types of products, that is one is KOH and H2O2 and O2. These are the one KOH and H2O2 and these are the subproducts. So these superoxide dissolve in water to form three subproducts will be produced, that is the important hydrolysis of metal oxides. So main important student, these are the very most important student. So KO2 H2O plus KOH plus H2O2 plus O2. So it is, so here it is not balancing, so hydrogen and oxygen. Here potassium 2KO2, so oxygen also not balanced. Take the 2 moles of potassium plus 2 moles of water. So now here 2 to the 4 oxygen plus 2 6 oxygens. Right side also only 4. So put the 2 moles of KOH, 2 oxygen here, 2 plus 6 oxygen. So everything is balanced. Take the 2 moles of RbO2 plus 2 moles of water plus 2 moles of RbOH. This is the main important hydrolysis of metal oxide, students. So now alkaline earth metals, alkali metals and alkaline earth metal. Alkali metals, next continuation student, alkali metal and alkaline earth metals react with water to give hydrogen gas and hydroxide. It is also very most important, students. All alkali metals and alkaline earth metals also react with hydrogen, react with water to give hydrogen gas and hydroxide, metal hydroxide. So it is also very most important. So now take the alkali metals like lithium and sodium, potassium, like that. When lithium react with water to form lithium hydroxide and hydrogen gas, and when sodium react with water to form sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. It is also very most important, student. All alkali metals and alkaline earth metals are react with water to give hydrogen and hydroxide. So example, lithium and sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, like that. All alkali metals react with water to form alkali metal hydroxides and hydrogen gas. So it is very most important, student. And next one, but in alkaline earth metals, beryllium do not react with water. So very most important, students. In alkaline earth metals, beryllium do not react with water, whereas remaining elements like magnesium, calcium, strontium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium react with water to form magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide and barium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. It is also very most important. In 2A group elements, in alkaline earth metals, beryllium do not react with water, whereas remaining elements like magnesium react with hot water only. Magnesium react with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas, whereas remaining element calcium, strontium, remaining elements like calcium, strontium, barium, these three elements are dissolved in cold water to give strong bases and hydrogen gas. It is also very most important, students. These are the important chemical properties of S block elements. Thank you, students. If you like my video, please like and share and comment. Thank you.